Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 36. If we start with this box, we're only missing a 2. For this box, we're only missing a 3. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 6. And the same here, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing a 9. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing a 5. And so that just leaves these 2s and 6s, and we can just plug in however we want. So if this is our 2, that makes this our 6, 2, and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.